This is your weekly real estate update for the Greater Portland, Maine area. These are median numbers for closed sales in the last 7 days. Days on market went up a little bit from 11 to 14 days on market. The list to sale ratio still at 100%. So if you listed your house in the last couple of months in the Greater Portland area, you probably got close to what you were asking for it. The median sold price ticked down again to $422,000. The average 30-year fixed dropped a little bit to 6.71%. And of course, the year over year US inflation still at 2.8%. So this past week in the US economy, there has been a whole lot of unrest, and it's showing up not in just one area, but a lot of different areas. So first thing, consumer confidence dropped down 7 points, the consumer confidence index. This is the biggest drop since August of 2021. Also, home builder confidence dropped 3% this past month, bringing it down to where it was about 6 months ago. The Fed decided to hold the rates for another month in a row. The FMOC gave its predictions about the GDP, and they lowered the expected growth. Predicted growth had been at 2.1 and dropped to 1.7% for this year. And then they also predicted that unemployment would go up. They had it at 4.3, and now they think it's going to go to 4.4. And the Fed is not expected to lower rates in May. So across the board in the US right now, you have a lot of people feeling insecure about the economy. Consumers are feeling insecure, and they're showing it with consumer confidence in purchasing. Investors are feeling insecure, and they're showing this by taking money out of stocks in the market and moving it into bonds, gold, silver. And people are feeling insecure in the real estate market as well because of all these things around them. So we are seeing a little bit of an uptick in the spring market, but not as much acceleration as I would have expected or hoped. I think it's short term. I think it is short lived. I think that once some of this other stuff stabilizes around tariffs, around the volatility of the stock market, the spring market will blossom as we would expect. I hope that this was great information for you. If you have any questions, give me a call.